Isaiah. Isaiah, what sound does the pig make? Good job. Landon, what sound does the chicken make? What? What about the monkey? Isaiah, what sound does a horse make? Oh yeah? You guys are super silly.
Horse. A horse.
I'm not a horse.
A fox. You are a horse.
No, I'm not a horse.
You are.
Landon, what sound does a duck make?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Good job, guys.